Previously on MasterChef Australia.
You know, 6 weeks ago, before I started making these parody videos, I didn't know if I wanted to make just funny videos or cooking videos.
He's on another level.
This dish is a game changer.
It just blows my mind. Did you like it? I loved it. I loved it.
It's triumphant. This is exactly what we live for.
And this whole process has taught me a lot about what it takes to make a video that is funny, but also cooking. And now I can clearly see who it is I am meant to be. So today I'm making sambal fish. It's one of my favourite dishes. I think our guests are really going to love it. It's pretty simple, 2 steps. Step 1, sambal. Step 2, fish. To make the sambal, I need to get some chilli, some shallots or red onions, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, tamarind, and some shrimp paste. And I'm going to blend that all together with some oil. And the idea is the tamarind lends some sourness. There's sweetness when you caramelise those onions. The chilli give a spicy kick. Those chilies. Actually, yeah. Be careful when you're blending those chilies. Okay, so now it's time to fry the rempa. So now I'm just going to fry this paste, give it enough time for those shallots to caramelise. I want a real deep, rich red colour for this sambal. While I'm trying to fry this sambal, I get a Zoom invitation from Shane Warne. You don't turn down Warnie.
Oh, hey Warnie, how's it going? I think you might be on mute, Shane. Yeah, you just got to click unmute. Have you used Zoom before? You can move the camera back a little bit. Let's look right up on your face.
Izzy, what am I doing? How are you? I'm very good, thank you. Shiv Kumar, I'm good, thank you very much, mate.
Oh, no, my name's Saran. Not Shiv Kumar.
Oh, what have I done?
I better get back to the kitchen. It's good to see you though. I'll give you a call soon. The beard's looking good.
It's getting a bit itchy. I think it's getting a bit grey and ginger and all sorts, so I think I might have to go soon. Why has that come up? Okay, got it.
It's pretty similar to... It's the same as Skype, really. No, it's not that difficult.
It's a little bit more tricky.
Shana, Warnie, you there?
I don't believe it. The whole time I've been trying to teach Warnie how to use Zoom, I've left the stove on. The whole thing's reduced. Like, not just the sambal, the pot too. It's tiny. You know, I just forgot to turn the stove off. I didn't even know that was possible. So my sambal's made. I get my barramundi fillet and I just score it all the way down the length of the fillet, and now I'm going to massage that sambal paste into the barramundi. Okay, so all I've done is I've just sort of scored each of the fillets just so that the sauce will seep into the fish. I don't know how I've done it. Somehow, just even after cooking it down, I've managed to get enough sambal to cover these barramundi fillets. It's time to just wrap them up as tight as I can and throw them in the oven. I think you do your best cooking when you're inspired by memories and nostalgia. And it's really important to me that every time I cook, I'm trying to tell the story of my life through my food. My cook today was inspired by the time the sniffer dogs showed up at Splendor, and that's why today I've made crumpets in a baggie.
Every element is like pinging off the plate.
The judges definitely love it when you cook from nostalgia, but they also love a good old redemption cook.
Seeking redemption.
Basically, my redemption dish.
So today I want to be able to redeem myself.
I am still working on my Italian redemption dish.
This is a prepaid collect call from
Suren,
an inmate at
Parramatta Correctional Institution.
This call is subject to recording and monitoring. You may start the conversation now.
Oh, hey, Jock. Just wondering if you could come get me from the prison. Just cooked a redemption cook and they're going to let me go.
So it's time to get the Barra out of the oven, and I'm a little bit nervous because the judges have arrived. They're my guests, they're just friends, but they're pretty judgmental. So I get the Barra out of the oven and I feel relieved. It is juicy and I just know that that delicious sambal has seeped all the way through the fish.
Quite red, I see you've done here.
I knew this was fish when I saw it. This is sublime. I've tasted limes better than this.
Not exactly subtle, is it? But why would it need to be when it's this upsetting? Upsettingly good, but I've never tried anything this delicious, which is what I would say if I enjoyed it, which I do quite a bit.